Alright, in this video we're going to go over how to replace the seal inside of the Mansfield 308 Dual Flush Valve. As you can see, this seal right here. So the first thing you're going to do is, as you can see here, there's a little notch right there on the inside of the flush valve. That's to stop it from turning so it can come off easier. So what you're going to do is spin it the opposite way, and then you'll get those notches lined up and the top should come off. Now you don't have to take this out of the tank in order to replace this seal. So once you get this part off, this is all you'll need. This can stay in the tank however. And then this seal, you're going to take the old one and just pull it out. Throw that seal off to the side. And then you can see the little notch right here that the new seal needs to sit into. So you can just go around there and then start working this seal into that groove. Once it's in the right spot, you should be able to just pinch the end of the seal and twist it, and it should have some movement. And then set this back, line these two little notches up with the two on the side of the flush valve. You'll set that down on there. When those are lined up, you'll start spinning it until it locks into place right there where those two notches were that I showed at the beginning. And then the seal is replaced, and you shouldn't have any more leaks. And this is the replacement seal on the Mansfield Genuine 308 Dual Flush Valve.